And what about the little cups of water? If they offer it to you on a long flight, are you going to take it?
Only if I'm really thirsty.
You're going to take the bacteria water? Hey, it's your girl Tangerine with another episode of Dherbs Street Smart. And today we're talking about holiday travel. Namaste. What's your name and where are you from?
Jesse, and I live here in LA.
Jerusalem, and I'm from LA.
Your name is dope.
Thank you. Your name is dope.
Jennifer from San Francisco, living in LA.
I'm Johanna. I'm from London.
Oh, they're just showing off now. True or false? You're twice as likely to catch a cold on a holiday plane flight as you are in normal life.
Depends on the flight and where you're going and how long. I mean, if it's to LA to SF, that's a hour flight. But if you're going to like Bangkok, probably true. So I answer depends.
Is this how you are in relationships, Jennifer?
True.
Okay, true.
What do you want to eat, Jennifer? Well, it just depends on what time are we going to get there and then how should I dress and like what's the temperature of the restaurant. Ma'am, true or false?
I'm going to say false.
True.
What makes you say that?
A lot of people, small space.
Ding, 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 ding. Correct. Jesse, correct. You got the first one right. That's correct. That is correct. Yes, kick with me. Kick with me. Oh, we're dancing. Oh, we're dancing. Yes, yes.
Right, though.
You bet you're right because you didn't choose one. You said both.
It depends. And I think that if you fly to San Francisco, I bet you won't get 50% chance more to get a cold. I can't imagine that.
Germs are circulating a lot during the winter months, and there's a lot more people traveling during the holiday, and you're in that small metal space. The germs are flying around, so this might be a good time to pull that mask out again, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I see your mask act out again?
Yes, pull out the mask.
You guys are fun. If you're wearing your seatbelt and assuming you're in the front seat, how much less likely are you to die in a car accident? A, 35%, B, 45%, C, 55%.
I'm going to say 55.
55.
See.
B, 45%. It's right in the middle. You're 45% less likely to die. The seatbelt will save you, ladies and gentlemen, so buckle up, right?
Yes, buckle.
Buckle up.
Okay, she's dancing. She got it wrong, but she's still dancing.
Putting the seatbelt on.
She's putting the seatbelt on, and it also looks like she's doing the disco. Which of these is good to avoid if you don't want to get sick while flying? A, in-flight snacks. B, in-flight water. C, in-flight soda.
D, all of the above, because you're opening your mouth to the air. And as we saw from the previous question, you have a blah, blah, blah chance getting more sick.
They all do sound bad.
Water you need for your body.
Well, yeah, water. But in flight, is that like, it's in a bottle, I guess.
It's in a bottle still.
So maybe soda.
But sodas are worse than water. And if you're allergic to nuts, it would be A. I mean, yeah, I'll go with C.
Inflate water?
Is that a question mark at the end?
It is, but I'll go with it.
Ding, 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 correct. It is in-flight water, Jesse. It is. It's much safer to get the bottled water. When they come around with that cup of water, unfortunately, it's coming from the plane's internal water tanks. And those... Exactly, the tea and the coffee, because the EPA tested that water and found that 12% of it has E. coli.
Feces.
Okay,
Yeah.
Will you stop drinking that?
Yes.
I don't.
Excellent. And what about the little cups of water? If they offer it to you on a long flight, are you going to take it?
Only if I'm really thirsty.
You're going to take the bacteria water?
Thank you, Dherbs.
Thank you, Dherbs.
OMG, what a surprise. Nobody won the money. Oh, too bad. So sad. But we all learned something today. Let us know what you learned by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on another episode of Street Smart.